let's give some exercise for you so we can solve together. Boy. Exercise number one. So I give x. Exercise number one. Wait. I 12 to 8 as the ratio in three different
Oh shoot.
in three different ways. Okay, number one, number two,
English is my Lieblingsfach.
you need 20 bags of seeds for 8 acres. Find the rate. Number three. Number three, you can drive 435 miles on 7 gallons of gas. Find the unit rates. Okay, find the unit rate. Okay, now number one, number two, and rewrite. Number one, write 12 to 8 as a ratio in three different ways.
Huh?
Now we have three
Huh?
exercise. Number one, write 12 to 8 as a ratio in three different ways.
Okay.
Number two, you need 20 bag of seed for 8 acres. Find the rate. Number three, you can drive 435 miles on 7 gallons of gas. So find the unit rate. So we have three exercise. One with the ratio, second with the rate, third with the unit rates.
Number one. Wait, do I say it to you or do like?
Yes, you can say to me.
Oh, okay. 12 colon 8.
12 colon 8,
8 colon 12.
8 colon 12,
12 over 8 over 12.
12 to 8,
Oh, 12 over 8.
12 over 8. Yes,
What's the third one?
three different ways. But is it 12 over 8 is the reduced ratio? And this a reduced ratio?
Is that a reduced ratio?
Yeah, is this a reduced?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can divide it by 2, no?
We can simplify by 2. We can simplify by 2, which is
6 over 4.
6 over 4. Can it still be reused?
Yeah. 3 over 2.
3 over
And then
2, and
that's
that's it, right? So, okay, so now we can write 3 over 2. How about this? Is this correct?
yeah. Wait, what do you mean if it's correct or not? Like
Yes,
if we need to simplify it?
we need to reduce first because ratio, don't forget
Then
ratio in
yeah,
which
then we would simplify to two to two.
yeah, 3, wait, we write it as 3 colons, 3 colon 2, right? So not this, but 3 colon 2. What is another way? Like 3 different ways. So now we have one way, 2 ways, now 3 different ways. Next one, how do we write?
Like like 3 2 2, as in
Yeah,
like yeah.
yeah, 3 2 2. Okay, so this is right. Now, number 2, you need 20 bags of seed for 8 acres to find the rate. Now, what
Twenty
is
two.
yeah? Now, what is the difference between ratio and rate? First of all,
Reddit has different
rates have different
values. I mean units.
units. Yes, different units. Okay, now it's how can we write the rate for
20 to 8, as in
20, 20,
over 8,
20 what? 20.
over 8.
Don't forget
Seed,
rates.
20 bags of seed to
Yeah,
over 8 acres.
20 bags over 8
8.
acres. Yes. But is this a final answer?
You can still reduce it.
Yeah, we still can reduce it. Equal to
We can divide it by 4.
divide by 4, we get
5 over 2
5 by,
over 2.
don't forget the units.
5 bags over 2 acres.
Yeah, 5 bags over 2 acres. So this is the final answer. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
The last one.
Yeah, how about the last one?
435 over 7
435.
over 7 miles over 7 gallons of gas.
There miles over 7 gallons. Now, to find the unit rate, to find the unit rate,
Find
how
a
can
unit.
we convert from rate? So this is the rate, right? This is the rate. But our purpose is to find unit rate. How can we find the unit rate from the rate?
Divisibility rules. Like we can find what to divide by the divisibility rule.
We
Like
make the here we make the denominator
1.
yeah to be 1. So how can we make
Oh, so
denominator?
no, I'm done. We divide by 7.
Yeah,
Duh.
we divide by 7. Okay, so now divide by 7, get the answer is
There's a remainder though.
when it's come to remainder we get 2 decimal, 2 digit after the decimal.
What do you mean 2 digits after decimal?
So we have remainder and then like we have the decimal and then we have 1 digit, 2 digits, right?
So decimal, so
If it's
like
like yeah, if it's like 12.45215 something like this, we get just 2 digit after the decimal is okay. Like 12.45 is the result.
So there has to be 2 digits after the decimal.
Yes. Properly, we can use like two digit after the decimal. That is
I'm actually confused. Hold on.
hmm.
Where's my pencil? Oh,
4, 3, 5.
15 equals 14 equals 2 equals 1. What are we doing? 7.
4, 3, 5 or 7.
The remainder is 1. What do I put? 0.0.
Okay, okay. So let's check together. 4, 3, 5 divide by 7. First of all, we get two digits.
Subtract 42.
How many times 7 go to 43?
6.
6, yes. 6 times 7, 42. So we have 1 and 5. And then,
And then we subtract 15 by 14, which is like 7 times 2.
mhm, we have 1. Now, 1 is the remainder, but we have point. The decimal number, we add 0. Correct? We add 0. So then it's 1. 1 times 7 is 7.
7.
Minus 10 minus 7 is 3. I put 3 here. 3 is smaller than 7, so we add another 0. So how many times 7 go to 30?
Equals 30. 3, 7, 14, 4.
4. Yes. 4 times 7 is 28. So we have 2, and of course we continue doing it, but we take 2 decimal is okay. So answer is
62.14.
0.14. What is
Gallons. No, miles.
miles? What do we call
Yeah,
this? This
per hour.
per gallons.
Oh, I thought you
So
were talking about miles per hour.
yeah, the unit for speed is mile per hours, but this is like the unit here mile. We use 7 gallon of gas, so mile per gallons. Mile per. When it's come to unit rate, it's always have the word per, like this per this,
Per.
per this. Yeah, mile per gallon per.
Boy, how's my pen? I just pulled it out right now.
Okay, now let's do some difficult exercise, like harder levels. Go to the harder level. Exercise number.
Can't believe you're hurting me. I'm let your girl was
Let's go. Wait.
to see her, you see me, but I guess you just make me love. Never knew I.
The ratio between the parameters and size.
Wait, do I have to take notes on this?
Yes. So this one is
Oh, I've just been doing it freehand.
perimeter and size of length of a square is 4 column 1. Find a the perimeter. Hmm, Define the perimeter if its side length is 12 centimeters. B, the side length of square if its perimeter is 126 centimeters. Okay. Right. Oops. Hmm.
Oh, side length. The ratio between the perimeter and side of length of a square.
Side of length square is 4 columns 1. Let's try this, maybe easier to read. Find question A, question B. Question A, find the perimeter if its side length is 12 centimeters. And B, find the side length of square if its perimeter is 126 centimeters. Mhm. So last exercise, we asked to write the ratio, which is
Do we? I I think I think we divide 126 by 12.
one. Wait, the question one is perimeter. Find the perimeters. Okay. Okay. Now question.
Oh, I thought you were telling me to find the width. My bad.
Mhm. Question B is find the length.
The per, find the perimeter of the side length is
If
12.
this clause is if its side length is 12.
If the side length is
Mhm. So
okay,
what is this ratio came from? 4 column 1. The
we can
rate,
do like 36 over 12.
so this means 4/1, right?
Yeah, and
Over
we
1. This ratio is come from the ratio between perimeter and the side length, right? So
oh, so I have to like make a ratio for that.
now this is the hypothesis. This first line is the ratio between perimeter and side length is 4/1.
Or-
So
Yeah,
we can write perimeter perimeter over length equal to 4/1. Correct?
yeah.
Yes. Now
Find the side
find the
length is
perimeter if if its side length is 12 centimeters. So we know that the length here is 12 centimeters. So can we find the perimeters?
yeah.
Mhm. So now we replace the length by 12. So perimeter,
So we divide 126 by 12, no?
no. Now it's not involving with B, so just don't ignore B first.
Okay.
Ignore B first.
No, I'm talking about B. I think, can
No.
I tell you what I think for A?
Hey, we do the
Is
A.
it like 48 over 12?
48 over
Because if you divide it by 12, it's 4 over 1.
4. Okay, now replace the length by 12 step by step first. Per centimeter. It's equal to 4 over 1, right? How
Yeah,
can we solve for perimeters?
and 12 times 4 is 48, right?
Correct. So to find perimeter, we get 12 times 4 divided by 1. 12 perimeter times 4 divided by 1, which is 48 centimeters. So
So for question B, do we use the information we have from question A?
no, no.
So we just completely ignore question A?
Yeah, we just completely ignore question A. So question B is not involving with question A. So delete here. The side length, find the side length of a sphere if its perimeter is 126. Now for B, they give the perimeter and find the length. Question A, they give the length, find the perimeters.
Wait, 4 is perimeter, right?
Uh,
Yeah.
perimeter is 126 centimeters. 4 over 1 is a ratio between perimeter and the length.
So can I use the ratio to help me with question B?
Yes, the ratio is 4 over 1 is can be used for A and B.
Okay. So I divided 126 by 4. Okay?
126 by 4.
Yeah.
So now question B, we know that we only know the perimeter, which is 126. So replace perimeter by 126. 126
Oh.
length, right? Over length equal to 4 over 1. Now, can we find the length?
Oh, wait, now I get it now. I get it now.
Find the length, we use equations.
Division.
Not division, it's equation, right? This is equation. Now, in order to solve this, how do we do?
Do we divide 126 by 4?
We correct. So we
Oh,
divide
then I have
from,
the answer, bro. I have the answer.
so the
Is
length is we use
31.5?
this is called cross multiplication, right? Cross multiplication. So in order to find length, this time this divided by this. So
Yeah.
126 divided by
I
4,
got 31.5.
31.5. Wait,
Yeah, it appeared with a 0, but I just removed the 0 because I had to.
okay.
Like at the end.
Okay,
Yeah.
correct. That's correct. But don't forget the unit is
But centimeters.
centimeter. So the length have their units, which is 31.5 centimeter.
Centimeters.
Yeah, but when it's come to ratio, it's 4 over 1. There's no ratio. There's no unit.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go for exercise number 5. Exercise 5. Okay. The volume of a cubes can always be found by multiplying the length of each side of each side three times. For example,
12 times 3.
yeah, 12 and 3. For example, the volume of cube with size length of 13 centimeter is 2197 centimeter cubes. Okay. Okay, it's a cube here. Cubes. Find a the ratio between the volumes
8, 16, 24, 32.
and side lengths of cubes. B. Find the volumes of cubes side lengths of 24 feet. Okay. This is quite similar to the exercise number 4.
Yeah.
So
Okay. The
to
ratio.
find it,
The volume.
the volume of a cube can always be
The
found
ratio
by
between
multiply the length of its side
the side
three
length of
times.
cube.
Okay, I'm going to draw cubes here.
The volume of cube.
Cube is
24. 24
this. So cube is like the
equals
box.
2. Wait, I want it to be like the ASO test though.
A what?
Hold up. I want this to be like the ASO test. It's like a test, like a state test we take.
Yeah,
And there's like no notes involved. Nobody can help us, and it's only on us.
yes.
Like honestly, I want it to be like that
Okay.
because it's coming up for me, and it's like a really like important test,
Oh,
like an online one. Like the whole state is taking this, and they're taking like all of your like test records.
oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like competition, like the whole state.
No, no, it's not a competition. We don't know each other's scores, but like it's really important. And like if you do anything, like you have to like put in your phones, your electric washers, anything, because like they like don't want you to like cheat at all.
Mm, okay.
Ratio between the phones. Cute. Ah. Oh, dude, that's it.
Okay. So
The volume,
yes, the volume
the volume.
of a
I mean, the ratio for A is 3/1.
okay. Wow. Now your answer is
3/1.
3/1. How about the second?
72.
72. Oh, so fast. Okay. So let's check. A. The ratio between the volume, so volume over side length over the length, we know that the volume is always, we can find the volume of a cube by multiply the length 3 times, right? So volume is length times 3, let's say L times 3 over L, correct?
Mm,
So we can simplify the L, we get 3 over,
one.
so this is the ratio,
Correct.
correct. Number B, the volume of a cube with a side length of 24 feet. So we know that the volume over length equal to 3 over 1. If we know the side length is 24, so replace the length with 24. Replace the length with 24. So we have V over 24 feet equal to 3 over 1. And then V equal to 24 feet times 3 over 1, which is 72. What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Feet.
72. Correct.
So am I correct?
Don't forget the
Feet.
feet. But the unit of volume is feet.
Centimeters squared. Wait, no. What feet squared? No, feet triple. Feet to the power of 3.
Yeah, feet cube. So cube. That is correct. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's give another exercise.